Hello friends and teachers, my name is Fadil here at eLearningX. This video is focused on bringing you a brief tutorial of how to screen record your lessons through Dropbox Capture. Dropbox Capture is a tool for users to create and communicate with screenshots, screen and audio recordings, and video messages. So let's get started. So I will start from my desktop. What we will do, we will go to Google. And we will just type Dropbox Capture. And what you want to go with is this one right here. And it will show you a brief download for Windows. Once you've downloaded the software, it will look like this, which since I've already finished installing it, Dropbox Capture. Okay, so if you can see this, I've just done a few previous recordings here, and this is how the user interface looks like. It has a maximum of 120 minutes of recording time you can use. Once you've gone over past that point, you can always delete your videos, or, and this is what I would recommend, is to download the videos. That way you would at least be able to constantly have new videos on. And through an option here, you're able to screen record plus camera, which is what we will do, screen record exclusively, and screenshot exclusively. This is also audio recording exclusively, as well as only camera. Okay, so let's see how Dropbox Capture works in real time. So I'm going to click on screen recording and camera because that's what we want. And once I click it, this window will pop up. It will say click to record your entire screen. That's just the left click of the mouse. Drag to record parts of your screen. So that's like trying to create a shape, and that's for a specific purpose. Or press space to record a specific window. By pressing space, you're able to just relegate your screen recording to only one software. In this case, I'm just going to click. So here's how it looks. Okay, and now we are recording with Dropbox Capture. As you may notice, I have my video cam record on the right side of the screen. That's because I've put it there. You can quickly, with your mouse cursor, change the position of where it's going. And should you wish, you're able to also increase the size of it as well. So I'm going to show you an example. Here's a previous project that I've been working on, and this is pretty much how it's going to look. You have the PowerPoint on the left side here, and you have your camera on the right. And if you want to, you can always just change it here, or here, or here. You will not see it, but there is a panel towards the left side as well. It has the stop, it has a draw, it has a pause, redo, and cancel it. By clicking on draw, you're able to effectively highlight key parts of your lesson. This is so that your students can better understand your lesson, and it will help pretty much what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so once you've finished screen recording with Dropbox Capture, it will send you to this website, capture.dropbox.com, and then it will show you the video which you've just recorded it with, and on towards the right it shows edit video, attach link, and transcript. By clicking on edit video, you're able to quickly highlight key points of your video, and you can keep that selection only and delete everything else with keep selection, or you can delete this selection and keep everything else. So I'm going to discard changes because I don't need it. There's also something called a transcript, which just decides to show exactly what you talk about. By clicking on those parts specifically, it will quickly jump to that part of that video, effectively helping students out massively if they have audio problems. In addition to all of this, it shows on the top right what you can do with these videos. It will tell you how many viewers have accessed this video, what you can do with the link. Do you wish to share the link with other people, or do you want to only be able to access it exclusively since it may be unfinished? You can copy the link here. You're able to copy embed code. For example, if you have your own website, you can just copy this code and it will show the video correctly. And say, for example, I want to share a specific part of the video. I go to 18 seconds. I click here. I say, okay, copy link starting at 0.18 seconds, basically. Next, you also have the delete button if you wish to delete it, or you can download it for offline storage. And that is all there is to Dropbox Capture. Very easy and simple software.